Have a love-hate relationship with clothes? Let these clothing hacks take the sting out of your worst wardrobe woes. Online shopping can get tricky fast. Do I like these? Those cuffs are cheesy. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. Now I just have to wait for them to arrive. That was fast. Their delivery service is impressive. Interesting box. This has gotta be it. This is better than my birthday. Huh? I don't remember ordering these. Who even wears yellow pants? And they're at least 2 sizes too big. I may as well try them on. Are you kidding me? I feel like a cheesy singer from the 80s. Could I look any more dorky? Go long! Have no fear, Ugly Pants Man is here. They look better as a dance prop. Whatever. God. Oof. Huh? What are you doing here? What are you wearing? I bet those are more versatile than you think. I know. Mind if I try these bad boys on? Hand them over. Let's see here. No peeking, Thomas. They're ugly pants, but they make for a gorgeous dress. Just takes a little bit of tweaking. See? It's perfect for my movie date tonight. I'm so happy for you. Oh, this stupid belt is way too big. Whatever. Whoa! I can barely get out the door in this thing. Hey, someone open up! Uh-oh. I forgot my keys. Why is this door so heavy? Gah! Run faster! I hate myself. These teeth tear through steak, come on! Whoa, anyone happen to be a locksmith? Well, there goes the sun. I'm gonna be stuck out here forever. Oh, all from this ill-fitting belt. At least I know it's durable. I'd better try and get some sleep. Thomas? Hey! Oh, who's there? Adam, thank goodness! I'm stuck in the door. I think I have a spare key. Welcome home, Thomas. Dude, chill. Why are you even wearing this? Don't you know this trick? No! This rubber band holds the loose strap. Slide the elastic under the belt, then weave it to hold the strap. Pretty cool, right? And not getting stuck indoors. You're the best, man. This sure was an incredible night. Hold these. Just gotta get my keys out. They're always at the bottom of my bag. Let me get them for you. I see London, I see France. What's with Adam's underpants? This is way too much for our first date. Yep, totally saw my underwear. Let's pause this for a minute. This is gonna ruin the whole night. Think I can repurpose these suspenders? I'm just not wearing them right. Pull your pants down, exposing your socks. Then attach the suspenders to them. Clip the bottom of your shirt to the other end. Pull your pants back up. See how perfectly it tucks your shirt in? No accidental peekaboos here. I was down there, right? Oh, I must be seeing things. Here are your keys, beautiful. Thanks. That was a close one. Hey man, what's up? What? Is there something on my face? Seriously, what gives? Oh, my shirt's totally inside out. I walked all the way to school like this. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Just look at everyone laughing at me. Hey, what's Thomas spinning there? No one's gonna be laughing for long. Pull your arm through the sleeve. Then pull the other arm through, turning the shirt around as you go. Problem solved. This is great. Now Steven's the new laughing stock. You want us to kick you, man? Hey! Oh, I'm looking pretty good this morning. Good hair, eyebrows on point. Oh, too bad none of my socks match. There we go. Now for a top. It's so wrinkled. Oh, I hate ironing. Say, I'm pretty good at this. This should do it. I'm a real artist. Oh, how'd I miss all these spots? What's that? It looks like smoke or something. Nope, it's just Adam, fresh out of the shower. What's up, dude? Wait a minute. That's exactly what I need. Steam is perfect for smoothing clothes. And now we wait for the magic. It's happening. Whew. Whoa. Check it out. That thing's smooth as butter. Way easier than ironing. I'm gonna do this to all my clothes. Do I look dapper or what? Watch out, ladies. This movie's intense. Yeah, we're watching it now. What do you mean you don't like it? Talk about a major party foul. This thing's brand new. Oh, I'm sorry. What's the matter with you? I gotta wash this off. Oh, I'm so stupid. How am I supposed to get this out? What if it leaves a nasty stain? It's not budging. I'm gonna need something stronger. But what? Is that bleach? Maybe I could do something with that. Things are about to get crafty in here. Lay the sweatshirt down flat. Spray the diluted bleach onto the bottom. The spurts can be large here. Then with a dropper, release little dots of the solution. Make the pattern random all over. See how the bleach is already working? You can put as many or as little as you want. Pretty soon, it should look like this. Isn't this thing awesome? Time to pop it in the dryer. And once it's ready, you have a one-of-a-kind hoodie. Talk about a blessing in disguise, huh? I look pretty good, gotta say. Oh, Adam? Is that even the same sweatshirt? How'd you even think to do all that? Cheers to happy accidents. Feeling a little better about your wardrobe woes? Share this video with your buddies. Have you clicked on these videos yet?
Don't forget to subscribe to 123 Go Boys YouTube page.